I wonder what am I gonna be whipping up in this kitchen today? Well, let's find out. We're going to be making spicy pork hock today. That's the leg of the pork. So I got 10 pieces here. That's about 3 pounds. And we're just gonna get straight to measuring the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic mix. That's the Mrs. Dash salt free. Half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of country spice or kimba pepper as is known in other African countries. Just mix this together and season the hock. So I just make sure I rub the whole thing real good, and I will put it to the side for about 30 minutes to marinate. So after making sure everything here is well seasoned, I'm just going to set it to the side for about 30 minutes to let it marinate real good. And then we'll move on to the next step. So while the meat is marinating, I will blend medium-sized onion, and 2 garlic cloves. I have 1/4 cup of oil heating up here, just enough to coat the pot. You can do a little less if you want, since pork already has a lot of fat in it. I will squeeze the last 2 pieces in here. I'll do 3 minutes on one side, just till it's crispy and brown, and then I'll flip it to the other side. As you can see here, so the ones I put in first, I'll flip first. The pork is almost done. So in this pot here, I'll just make a quick beef stock. I have 6 cubes of little Maggi. And I add 8 cups of water. I'll let that water get hot till the Maggi melts. And since these are nice and brown, I'll take them all out and saute the onion and garlic in here. I'll let this saute till it's succulent, about 3 minutes or so. Let's put the hocks back in. I'll pour the stock in here. Now let it cook until the hog is tender, at least 2 hours. I know that's a lot of water, but it's very important for all of this meat here to be really soft. Because if you cook pig feet before, you know, it can be pretty hard. And the leg part of it is similar to the feet, so I'll let that cook until the liquid is almost dry. Like I said, about 2 hours. This is about an hour and a half in, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. The meat itself is pretty soft, exactly how I wanted it. As you can see, it's already falling off the bone. So I'll let it finish up, and that'll be it.